A few years ago, a friend told me he wanted to learn how to draw. So he got himself a how-to book and he started making very tentative pencil sketches. And it got me thinking that there must be a better, more fun and more rewarding way to learn how to draw. That's the first problem. The second problem is time. There are so many good classes on Skillshare. I started one the other day and it was a brilliant class, but I hadn't even gotten to the meaty stuff before the time I had was up. And that got me thinking that what I need, and therefore possibly what you need, is the power class. Classes that are short, get straight to the point, and you're done. Welcome to Secrets of Drawing. My name is Catherine Jennifer. I'm an artist and designer living in Oxford in England. I have 4 boys, the oldest is 10, the youngest are 3-year-old twins who are potty training. I'm on a mission to help people learn how to draw and how to access their creativity quickly and easily. Being able to carve out a tiny bit of time each day that's just for you and to produce something satisfying in that time can give you a little buzz that stays with you all day and impacts those around you. For something that is so fundamental to what it is to be human, drawing and creativity is surrounded by an awful lot of fear and mystery, and it doesn't need to be. So in this power class, I'm going to share 3 very specific tips that will improve your drawings. This class focuses on line. This is aimed at beginner to intermediate level students. If you are someone who can't draw, or if you feel frustrated by the results you get, then this class will jump you up to the next level. Let's go.